Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. On your iPhone, open Wallet and add the card you want. Follow bank verification. This confirms the card and why it matters. On the Apple Watch, enable wrist detection and set a passcode. This secures payments when you wear it. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and add the same card to your watch. That's the first actionable step to make contactless payments from your wrist. Now you add and verify the card on the watch. In the Watch app, tap Add Card, then scan or type the card number. Accuracy prevents decline charges. Next, complete bank verification. Sometimes it's an SMS code, sometimes an app prompt, so follow that prompt exactly. After verification, choose a default card for quick access and enable transaction notifications so you can see charges immediately. Make sure to allow any requested permissions in both devices. To pay, double-click the side button, then hold the watch face within a few centimeters of the contactless reader until you feel a tap and see done. If payment fails, first restart the watch and iPhone, then try re-adding the card. That fixes most sync issues. Also check your region settings, network, and whether your bank supports Apple Pay on watch. If problems persist, contact your card issuer for verification or replacement, because authorization rules often cause declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.